Did you know there is a plant that makes oxygen even at night? Stay with me, because at the end of this video, I will share a secret about Sansevieria that you probably never heard before. Sansevieria comes from West Africa. People there called it the plant of immortality because it can survive in the hardest conditions. Around the world it has funny names, like snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue. In some cultures, they believe this plant blocks negative energy and brings good luck to the home. NASA tested this plant. They found it can clean dangerous toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. And unlike most plants, Sansevieria produces oxygen at night too. Scientists say just a few pots of Sansevieria can keep oxygen levels fresh even in a closed room. That's why it is perfect for bedrooms. It helps you sleep better and breathe cleaner air. Quick question for you. Do you keep Sansevieria for its beauty or for its air cleaning power? Tell me in the comments below. There are many beautiful types of Sansevieria. Laurenti with yellow edges, moonshine with silver green leaves, and whale thin with one giant leaf. Each one has its own unique style. Taking care of it is super easy. Water only when the soil is completely dry. Use well-draining soil. It loves bright indirect light, but can also survive in low light. And now the hidden secret I promised. Long ago people used Sansevieria leaves to make strong ropes and tools. Behind its calm look, there is a surprising strength. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. May your home always be filled with fresh air, peace, and positive energy.